Hello everyone, welcome to Perseverance IS. Today is Friday, September 3rd, 2021. Let us begin with the first article to be read for competitive exams in the Hindu newspaper. CJI flags criminal content in media. This is informative. Something might come out of it in the future. As far as, please do read what the CJI opinions said. His opinion can be used in some answers. So he talks about lack of accountability and lack of accountability towards institutions of India from social media companies and digital media companies. From that perspective, please do read this article. Now moving on, exports rose 45% to 33 billion in August. Which sectors saw growth, how important it is and significant it is for economic recovery in our country. From that perspective, please do read this article. Now moving on to the next, Afghan origin terror prime concern India. This is again related to Afghanistan scenario and the fallout from there into India. This article talks about how Indian government has been engaging with Taliban, what are the primary concerns for our country, and what is this Haqqani issue that India has with Taliban. Please be aware. From exam point of view, I don't see much of it, but being aware is always better. Now, moving on to the next, states seek transparency in GST data. Recently, there has been a report in regards to confusion regarding the GST data. Please do read this article into as to what are the problems with the GST data and why states are asking for transparency in that data. From that point of view, this article is important. Now, moving on to the next page. Now moving on to page number 6, editorial, noble intentions. This is again in regards to the UNSC resolution 2593, which was adopted by the UNSC under the presidency of India, which ended last month, right? After August was the month where India headed UNSC. So this was the final resolution that was adopted in regards to Afghanistan. This article finds a certain criticism with why that language or certain provisions or certain conditions or terms in the resolution were soft. From that perspective, please do read this article to understand those reasons, and you'll try to understand what the background for it also. You might understand why India was forced to adopt a soft resolution against Taliban also. Now from that perspective, read that article. Now this is very interesting, a hydro onslaught the Himalayas cannot take. Now recently we have been discussing articles, or I have been pointing out articles where the Himalayan region is being discussed. First, Himalayan region is being discussed for two reasons. One, the number of hydropower projects that are being taken up there. Second thing is the recent frequency with which extreme weather events have been taking place or happening in Himalayan region. Along those with come the natural disasters, the landslip, the glacial bursts, the flash floods, and so on and so forth. This article tries to understand or points out why taking up certain construction activities or large scale construction activities such as hydroelectric plants in Himalayan region is not ideal. Remember, an answer should be written in a balanced way. See, there was this editorial day before yesterday or yesterday where it talks about development and environment should go hand in hand. That should be kind of your approach to writing answers in these kinds of questions. Please do note points that give you that balance. If you find anything that is skewed, try to balance it. From that perspective, please do read this article. Now moving on, breakthrough challenge. Again, as I said about yesterday's newspaper first article, learn what our breakthrough variants are. From that perspective, read this article. Now, op-ed page number 7, is monetizing public assets a good idea? Read this, try to understand, but my suggestion would be is to find out your own data. From there, formulate your answer. This is kind of skewed towards an opinion, but nonetheless valid points are made here and raised here. From that perspective, please do read this article/interview. Now moving on to page number 8, India keeping a watch on ties between Taliban and Pakistan. This is significant because how India is choosing to operate at a time when we know the relationship between Taliban and Pakistan. from that perspective, for awareness, this article is important. Now moving on, Shringla in Washington for talks with US officials. So recently there was a setback in sense that the trade deal that we were negotiating with the Americans failed. Now we have to read this from that perspective, and also the 2+2 dialogue will take place from that perspective, please. Now find out what are all the levels at which Indian government engages with that of the American government. The military level, the 2+2, the economic. That will help you in understanding our status of relationship compared to that of Russia. Because now moving on, long wait for Deputy Speaker for Lok Sabha. Now I forgot to highlight it, but what is important here is learn more about the functions, the duties and the election procedure for a Lok Sabha Deputy Speaker. That will help you in understanding this article, and also try to find out why the election for a Deputy Speaker in Lok Sabha has been put off. That is the significance here. Now 40 Central University to implement Credit Bank. What is Credit Bank? Why are they implementing it? What are the advantages of it? Are there any disadvantages or fallout of it? Will it increase or enrich the educational system in our country? From that perspective, please do read this article. Now moving on to page number 10. Uphold rights of women in mental health centers. I have been telling you anything related to mental health should be given concentration, because mental health is something that is being discussed on a large basis and in public. There is this institution in Bengaluru called NIMHANS, National Institute of Mental Health, that should be given priority. From that perspective, please do read this article. Now preparation for DefExpo 2022 reviewed. Read where this is being taken place, the place where this is being conducted. From that perspective, you can skip it. Now most important, Indian biologist wins global award for turtle conservation. Now turtle conservation, what are the problems here, what are the challenges here, the species. And also recently there was a news that an American species is invading India, particularly deeper bill in Assam. I couldn't find that article. Please find out which American species of turtles is taking over Indian species, which is threatening 22 in endemic species. From that perspective, name, award, the reason, what kind of turtle conservation are they talking about here. The species are also important, and also try to link up with the article I told you. That is, US species is taking over Indian turtle species in Assam. Now moving on, Jallianwala Bagh conservation was supervised by ASI Cultural Ministry. Now this is from history perspective. Read about Jallianwala Bagh, why this memorial is important, what it signifies. From that perspective, important. Now moving on to world, Taliban close to forming government. Again informative article, not important for exam, just read it. Again, Qatar Taliban working on reopening Kabul airport. Important. Exam point of view not important, awareness point of view important, because this will facilitate further evacuation of Indians and other minorities coming out of Afghanistan. Now significant article, Ireland finds WhatsApp after probe. There is this data protection law, that is general data protection regulation of EU, that this article talks about. Learn about that and certain provisions. Compare it with Indian situation. Are there any GDPR laws in India? Answer is no. The IT rules come close but don't answer everything. Learn more about GDPR and the need for such laws in India. Now next article, US top court declines to block abortion law. Important article. Comparison wise, exam they might ask in exam, compare Indian abortion laws with this abortion law that article talks about. Compare it with Indian abortion laws with Americans, particularly try to compare it with Texans also. Now China ball in US court for climate cooperation. Read it from what it is. Move on to the next. North Korea rejects Chinese vaccines, UNICEF. This is not at all important for exam. I found it to be intriguing, that's why I included. Now China bans reality talent shows. This is the onslaught and third article that is related to Chinese actions on digital media content. Read why they are banning reality talent shows on TV. Link it up with the gaming addiction article that we read yesterday, that we asked you to read yesterday, and link it up with day before articles that kind of imposed restrictions. Now moving on to page number 12, business, lack of GST details, terms, economics. Read this article from that perspective. It is very simple. I don't see much complication there. Chip opacity hurting car sales, not tepid demand. As I said, that chip thing will always be important. Read more about why there is a shortage of chips. The T's article linked the semiconductor shortage to hit output at M&M. See, M&M is not important. What they are talking about is important. Semiconductor shortage. Why there is a shortage? How China is monopolizing it? Why it is significant? Why India should be indigenize this sector? From that perspective, read both of this article and yesterday's article. Very important. These are the important articles that you have to read in the Hindu newspaper for today. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.